Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of All Things Cut and Craft. I'm Abiola and thank you so much for always coming back to watch our video. We are really grateful. So today, as I said, we are going to be customizing an apron with vinyl. This is just temporary and I just want to do an experiment with this. If it will work, it will stay. If it will stay, keep watching, don't go anywhere, and I will be back shortly. This is the main supply for this project, and that is the chef hat. I got this from Hobby Lobby for about $5.99. So I'll go ahead and just remove that from the package, and this is how it looks like. It's so small, not too big, and it can fit an adult, even a child can use it. So this is my vinyl. I'm going to be using red. I already put that on the green grip mat, the standard grip mat, and I already prepared my design, so I'll be sending it right away. Just follow any promptings that the software gives you. Then my vinyl is already cut out according to the measurement I have from the apron. I always say that before you cut your vinyl, make sure you measure the space you are going to be placing it, so you have a very accurate cutting. So I load the mat, then I'll be pressing the Cricut flashing button, then the machine will start cutting out my design. And for the design, if you want to know more about it, let me know in the comment section. Cricut uses a variety of formats of images like SVG, PNG, DXF, and EPG or something, and most times I use PNG and SVG. So as you can see, I unloaded my mat and I just used the weeder to lift it up at the very tip. So I'm going to be removing it from the mat like so, and you want to face your mat down so your vinyl doesn't curl, because if you remove it like that in my roll up, so you just place your mat face down, then you remove the vinyl from the mat, like so, the mat from the vinyl that way. Then I'll just remove the negative part that will not be going on the apron like I am doing right now. And you want to be very careful while doing this, so you don't lift the the design that you want. You want to be super careful, and if you are careful enough, you can use the part that is being removed, as I mentioned in the last video. You can use it as a stencil. You can also place it on something else, depends on you. Left to you, that's a choice. And that is the negative right there. We'll just be setting it aside, and from there I will remove every tiny cut from the middle, so the design will come out boldly. And that is it. I am done. So I'll be cutting this into two because I want to place the hands on the hat, the chef hat, and I'll be placing the writing on the apron itself. I hope you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much for still watching, and if you're still watching and you are yet to subscribe, please, I will encourage you to consider subscribing to this channel so you get all of the videos coming up. There are lots to do with Cricut, and then please subscribe. Thank you. So this is the transfer tape, and transfer tape does the work of just lifting the design from the original backing. As you can see, it's on a white backing, so I'll be lifting it with this tape. It's just like a masking tape. If you know it's sticky, So I'll be putting it right on it like so. Then I'll take my scraper and bash it down so well, so this transfer tape will be picking up the design. If the transfer tape is not picking this up, you can try other side. You can also bash it again with your scraper. You can use your hand to press the transfer tape to the words so that it can pick them, and then you keep doing that until you pick everything with the transfer tape. So if you have any questions about any of our videos, I want to mention this moment that you can leave it in the comment section, send an email, or send a DM. You can reach me on Facebook, on Instagram, and I'll be glad to help. So as you can see, everything is being lifted from the backing, and I will just place it down like so. I mentioned earlier that this is vinyl, and this doesn't go on fabric. You use heat transfer vinyl on fabric, but this is an experiment. I just want to try out to see if this will go on fabric. I know it will be temporary because I will definitely not be able to wash this. If I wash, everything will go off. So I just want to try this on an apron to see if it will stick to the fabric. Yeah, and it depends on the fabric you are using. That's why I'm going with this apron, and as you can see, it is sticky. And one other thing is you can reuse your transfer tape as much as possible, as long as it can still pick the vinyl. And as you can see, I'm using it again for the other cut, so I can put this on the chef hat. If you are new to Cricut, all you have to do is get started. Don't be scared, just get started. Get it out of the box and check videos. I actually started with that too. I check a lot of YouTube videos, and this really helped me. So in the description box you will see Cricut for beginners and unboxing your Cricut Maker. There are a lot of videos in the description box that you can watch that will give you a head start. And also, if you need some other supplies to get you started, you will find supplies in the description box. Feel free to use the links. You find links to the supplies, where you can purchase them. Feel free to use those links, and they will be delivered to you at no additional cost whatsoever. So now you can see my vinyl is also sticking on the chef hat. It doesn't look like it's going to be removed. Yeah, it doesn't look like that at all. Yeah, that means the experiment is done. You can see. So this is the vinyl on an apron, looking beautiful, and I'll be rocking this on my other channel. As you can see, it actually stayed on the apron, and this is just for some time, and I will get it out. So experiment done. Thank you so much for watching. If you really find this video interesting, if you find it useful, please do well to subscribe so you can get more of our videos, and then leave a like because it helps YouTube to recommend more of our videos. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave your comment. Don't forget to share with friends. It's very important. If you have any questions too, do not forget to leave it in the comment section, and the links to where you can get some Cricut supplies will be in the description box. Check it out, use them at no additional cost to you. And this is your crafty friend telling you to create your own happiness because it's in your hands. See you in the next video. Bye.